There is exercise 8A.
Yes.
Yeah. On the
Yes.
first page, we have to find the perimeter of each of the following figures. Right?
Yes.
Okay. The perimeter is the sum of all the sides. Any figure, any number of sides, we can add, simply add, and we get the perimeter. Okay. Like in the first figure, it is a triangle, no?
Yeah.
It has how many sides?
3.
Three, na? Okay, if you want to find the perimeter, then add all the sides. Now add the sides and tell me the perimeter of first figure.
But 30, 30 plus 10, 23, 23 centimeter.
Yes, yes. Now come to the second figure and find out its perimeter.
38 centimeter.
How much?
38.
38. Yes, it is true. How you find the perimeter? Sum of
By
all the
adding
sides. Sum of all the sides is equal to perimeter. Okay. Write it down in your notebook, in your notes. Sum of all sides is equals to perimeter. Show me. Yes, yes. Now find the perimeter of third figure.
24.
Yes. Do this exercise. 8A. Do this exercise and tell me the answers of all the figures.